Hello guys, Big Egg here, and today we are back on our Let's Build Nature Kingdom. So yeah, I've done some things, as you guys can see. I have made this little kitchen here with my dining table. I have made my throne. I have made my library enchantment table, thingymcbobber. I've made a bed, or like a little bedroom area, and there's an anvil down there. Also, as you can see, I have this. It's a way up from the bottom. It's a massive winding staircase that goes all the way through the tree. I use sea lanterns to light it up in here, and I used a brush to dig down, and where the brush came out like in little bits, I made it look like a window or like a hole in the wood. It's kind of precarious. I mean, like you could just fall through. Oh. Huh. Wait, hold on. Just do that. There we go. And then another window here. I use sea lanterns to light it up to give it a soft light. I'm not sure if I already said that. Sorry if it's actually really dark on your guys' screen. Here, I might turn my brightness up. Video settings. Brightness. Yeah, my brightness is on moody for some reason. There we go. Now you can kind of see. Sorry about that. So what I was thinking today, what we do is we blah blah blah. Make some houses. As you can see, I already started one. Like I already started a video on it, but then my audio cut out. It's really annoying. So yeah. I also have this wand of nature where I spelled nature wrong. Super powerful. So I kind of want it to resemble this, except like 5 times smaller. I was gonna put the houses like along here and back here and here, and this will be like the center. Okay, so let's get started. So let's just boom. Let's get down more. It's the same thing, just a smaller radius for what I did the trunk of this with. So, let's undo that. Undo. I got rid of the tree that I built before because I wanted you guys to see me building it. Not. Like, I didn't want to have you guys, like, not see it. So we get this rabbit. There's a few monsters around. I might turn mob griefing. I won't right now. So yeah, I got some, like, everyone got some good feedback on this video. Let's see, let's go up a few more. Sorry, I'm thinking let's go up a few more with this trunk. I got a good feedback on the last video, so I thought I'd do another one. Yeah, so boom, boom, boom. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Let's just keep on building this up. I think that's a good height. Let's see, let me grab, where is it at? Let me just grab a weapon. Diamond sword, I guess. I had most of them set up, I accidentally got rid of one, so slash this one. So this one, it's not gonna be, like, its roots won't be too big. Let's go with this one. There. I might need to fill this in. It might be useful. So, I'm gonna do that. I could probably be doing this with World Edit, but I'm too lazy to make a brush. So I'm just gonna this up. Yeah. Sorry. I should have had this covered up before, but I kind of wanted to get the video started. Looks really ugly right now. It's okay if like some of these are there and there. There, did I get it all covered up? I think I did. Okay, let's use the smooth tool on this because it looks really bad right now. Here, let me just go. Wood sword. No. Undo that. There. 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 Okay, I'm not actually, I'll wait till I smooth everything up. Oh shoot, wrong one. Die, cow, die! Actually, if like this is all naturey theme, well, I probably shouldn't be saying die, cow, die. Probably isn't good. There, let's do that. Let's have one here. What the? Oh shoot, that was a smooth one. Darn it. Let's undo both of those. Undo that. Okay, like there. And then one more, and then small ones. Tiny one, tiny one, tiny one, tiny one, tiny one. So, okay, and let's grab the smooth tool, which is this stone sword here, and kind of smooth everything out. Yeah, let's get rid of the okay, like that. This one's the one I mostly want to smooth out because it looks super blocky. Or round, I guess. It's not, well, spherical. Let's do that. It's looking nice. Well, right now it is. Okay, let's smooth the bottoms out here. Like that. Okay, and onto the top. As you can see, we don't leave much trunk. So this is a small, but wrong tool again. Actually, here I might go up a few more, like that. Then go boom, 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 boom. Here, let's just undo a few of those because it looks kind of bad. This branch, that, 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 there. Now there won't be as many branches on this tree as there was on that one because again, darn it, I keep using the smooth tool. If only it can make me talk like not weird at all because that's how I'm talking today. No, that's smooth tool. Okay, I think we can get a few of these done. I'm gonna do the leaves and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I've done the leaves, and like this one, I left the top barren so we can like outdoorsy feeling. I think it looks pretty nice. Might have to add some like more leaves like in here and here and here. Yeah. Maybe add some vines. Might add some vines on that one too. But then again, the jungle wood kind of has a vine texture already. See? Here, let's just add some leaves in here as well, so it looks less barren under there. And yeah, this is the first house complete. Wait, blah. What? Goodbye, splat. I like it. Actually, here, let me grab some water. And I'm gonna make a little pond here. So let's slash fill water 3. Let's do let's make that 5. There we go. We got a little pond here, and now let's let it flow out. Let's grab some grass. I don't want it like flowing like this so much, but eh. Just get rid of this tree. Pump that there and that there. That should flow into the river. Now, like we have done with this water that comes out from near the tree, I'm going to grab some sea lantern and bonk, and make this water shine as well. Yeah, sorry, I was really quiet doing that. And the water there, maybe there. Cool. So that's the first house done, actually. To make it glow a bit like I did with this one by doing like putting log back. This is how I hid it, but because light travels through leaves. I personally think like it looks nice with the leaves glowing like, or like having it kind of glow like that. And then I guess I'll have to do ooh, wait, oh no, that's in the 1.9 snapshot. Speaking about that, how do you guys like that snapshot? Sorry, I was thinking about the paths where you use a shovel, and you right click and yeah. So I'm gonna dig like so. Here slash brush cylinder enter, and then let's make it 2, 5. Whoa, okay, that ain't good. Have an undo. Do that. And do that. Let's just make it 1, 1, 2. See, this is kind of what I did for the other one, just kind of mostly straight, but kind of random. There. It's just kind of. I need different types of wood. Just kind of fill these bits in with. Actually, I might make this one a window. And how I did that, I'll show you guys. Boom, do that. Here, let's just kind of go inside and see what it's like. Okay, so we'll have a window there, and then a window here to let light in. Let me go grab. Now it won't be as fancy looking as that one with like the twists. It's gonna be very simple. So yeah, let's get to this. Let's just go boom, 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 boom. So we can go up, and there's this little area. Sure, I guess I can make a window here. Oh shoot, that's the roof. Yeah, do that, boom, boom, then boom. Oh, okay. Now this one is going to be kind of tricky. See, this is a problem. So let's go maybe there, then there, then there, then there, there. What? Darn it. Shoot. There we go, do that. There. 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 Now, so you can't get out, let's place that there. And then maybe one there. That way it doesn't look as unnatural. If it was just like, yeah, a random hole. Okay, a little cubby there. So, boom, boom. No, don't do that. This one's very boring, this staircase, unlike the other one, which like looks kind of nice. This one has to be boring because it's not as big as a thing, and I didn't want to do the 2 because the 2 was too big. Too big, get it? Too big. Yeah. No. Okay. Bad joke. Let's do something like that. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. So that way here. Boom, boom, boom. Like do something like that. still look out. Hopefully it doesn't look as unnatural. It's raining. Toggle downfall. I hate the rain in Minecraft. It's real annoying. Make this a window. Then you got the leaf hanging down. There. Doing it there. 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 And there. And there. Okay, now I'm gonna do this, make that, then go blop, no, blop, then go blop, 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 blop. I just want to make it so we kind of cover it up, but there, we do something like that. Then bring that there. And you can still get under it. Good. Good, good. This is very good indeed. Let's, this video's getting long, guys, so, I'm gonna end it here. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and, yeah, like, comment, or something. Do something to show that you guys want to see more of this. Uh-oh. Leaf down. Leaf fixed. I'll add like some decorations in here off cam. But yeah. See you guys next time. Bye.